puts a smile on your face. Tell me the truth. What really makes you happy? And what makes you move? Never giving up when life gets too hard. Right around the corner is a brand new start. It feels like we're riding on a roller coaster. We're getting so far, we're not getting closer. Life is all about the up and down. Take your medicine, stop fooling around. Never take yourself too seriously. Laugh with the world and live and be free. Why do more people trying to take life slow? Why is every day